Welcome to Tutorak Kids! Hi! Here in front of me I have 6 shapes. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sides. This one goes round and round. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 10 sides and 5 points. This one, 2 long sides and 2 short ones. Oh, and this is a shape everybody knows. I'm sure of that. Let's say their names and color them. Red square. Green circle. Blue triangle. Yellow star. Purple rectangle. And of course the last one is an orange heart. Thank you for watching. See you next time.